Pour 2 cups of water into a pot.
Yeah.
Turn on the heat and bring to a simmer. Steamy.
Yeah.
Then grab 1 vanilla bean pod.
Yeah.
Slice and scrape the inside bits
Yeah.
and add all of it into the pot. Let the hot water break down the vanilla for 5 to 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. Turn off the heat and add 2 cups of table sugar.
Yeah.
Stir until dissolved.
Yeah.
Let the syrup come to room temperature before fine straining into a measuring glass.
Yeah.
Next, pour the syrup straight into a jar or bottle. We recommend the screw bottom bottles made by Crew Supply Company.
Yeah.
Keep it crew. And that's vanilla syrup.
Yeah. Yeah.
Baby, you're a mystery. Do you wanna grab a drink with me? I'll even let you sit for free. Maybe